getting some snow this weekend, so I'm not going to do any hiking or camping, so we'll do some adventuring at home today. Supposed to get probably up to like 18 inches of snow. Right now we have about 4. It is pretty nice out there. Yeah. And so going to get the hot tub going and probably do a little bit of shoveling right now because this is a heavier wet snow, and don't want to do 18 inches of heavy wet snow. So I'm getting the hot tub going. We have a wood-fired hot tub, really just for 1, maybe 2 people if you get nice and cozy in there. So the water comes out temperature-wise of our well at like 45 degrees, and I like to get this to like at least 104 to really take advantage of it. So about 10 degrees per hour. So I started at 12 o'clock and let it run all day. Right now I'm running it off of charcoal, but it can also run off of wood. I also have our makeshift sauna, which has collapsed underneath the snow weight. Wood-fired, a little wood stove in there, hot tent camping wood stove, and haven't used it yet, so I don't know how it works, but it's ready for whenever we want to. All right, well, the hot tub warms up. We'll play some board games and just relax inside, looking outside, waiting for it to go. Let's get going on the plowing here. This is my side-by-side for plowing, so got her plugged in. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the battery maintainer and see if she starts. It's not too cold outside, so it should start pretty well, just fine. No problem. Let's plow. Side-by-side has a winch on the front. That's what controls the plow to go up and down. So we'll just plug in our control here, see if it goes up and down. Up and down. already fixed on the plow. Well, my first round of plowing is done. Lots of snow, and it's coming down even harder now. So I'm glad I got out there and got that 5 or 6 inches done. And this always happens. You get a synthetic line. I think this steel one always ends up breaking. So I just tied in a knot, and I was able to get the rest of my plowing done. So. Well, day of clearing the snow. I've cleared the deck 3 times now, just finished. We got probably, I'd say like 18 inches so far. It's starting to lighten up a little bit, but it's very pretty. I'll have to do the driveway again tomorrow.